How is artificial intelligence, or AI, redefining the landscape of the IT field? Artificial intelligence has become a game-changer in the world of information technology. It's not just about automating tasks anymore. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach problem-solving and decision-making in the IT field. It's like we've been given a new tool to sculpt the digital world, one that learns and adapts, making our work more efficient and insightful. The integration of AI in software development is a prime example of its growing influence. It's not about replacing programmers, rather, it's about empowering them. AI tools are being used to understand code, detect bugs, and even suggest improvements. This drastically reduces the tedious and time-consuming tasks, giving developers more time to focus on creative and complex aspects of their work. Data analysis is another area where AI is making its mark. The volume of data in this digital age is staggering, and making sense of it all can be like finding a needle in a haystack. But AI, with its machine learning capabilities, can sift through this data, identify patterns, and provide valuable insights. It's as if we've trained a detective to scan through the digital chaos and find clues that can lead us to smarter business decisions. IT management is not left behind in this AI revolution. AI-powered tools are helping IT managers to monitor and manage systems more effectively. Predictive maintenance, which uses AI to predict failures before they occur, is helping to reduce downtime and increase productivity. In a way, AI is like the new age assistant who never sleeps and keeps everything running smoothly. As we delve deeper into the digital age, the influence of AI in the IT field is only set to grow. It's not an overstatement to say that we're in the midst of an AI revolution. It's changing the way we develop software, analyze data, and manage IT systems. The IT field is no longer the same thanks to the transformative power of AI. Consider the software development industry. How is AI making an impact? A great question. Let's discuss a real-life case study to illustrate this. In software development, the process of code review, bug detection, and testing can be time-consuming and error-prone. In the past, developers would spend countless hours poring over lines of code, hunting for bugs or inefficiencies. They were the gatekeepers, ensuring code quality and functionality. But today, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing these processes. Take the case of Deep Code, an AI-powered tool that reviews code like a seasoned programmer. It's like having an extra pair of eyes, but these eyes have been trained on millions of open-source code repositories. Deep Code can spot bugs, suggest improvements, and predict future issues before they become problematic. It's not just about finding errors, but helping developers write better, cleaner code. Then there's automated testing. Traditionally, testing is a repetitive and labor-intensive process, but now, AI tools like AppVance can generate and execute tests automatically. It learns from past tests, improving and optimizing with each iteration. The result? Faster testing, fewer errors, and more time for developers to focus on what they do best, creating innovative solutions. And let's not forget about AI in debugging. Debugging can often be like finding a needle in a haystack. But AI tools like bug spots can predict where bugs are likely to occur based on past code changes. It's all about identifying patterns and learning from past mistakes. This not only speeds up the debugging process, but also helps prevent future issues. These AI-powered tools are not replacing programmers. Rather, they're augmenting their abilities, taking over the tedious, time-consuming tasks, and freeing up developers to focus on more complex, creative problem-solving. The result? Higher quality software produced faster and more efficiently. It's a win-win for both developers and end users alike. AI is truly reshaping the way programmers work, making their tasks easier and more efficient. No longer are developers bogged down by mundane tasks. They're now free to innovate, create, and push the boundaries of what's possible in software development. Data analysis is another area where AI is making a significant impact. Imagine a bustling city with millions of people, hundreds of thousands of cars, and countless interactions happening every second. Now, imagine having to make sense of all that information, to understand traffic patterns, peak hours, and accident-prone zones. That's a monumental task, isn't it? But that's exactly where AI comes into play. Take the case of a global tech titan, which has been using AI to analyze traffic data in real time. Here, AI algorithms sift through massive amounts of data, identify patterns and make predictions. Every car movement, every traffic signal change, every pedestrian crossing the road. All these data points are analyzed in real time. The AI system then predicts traffic flow, identifies potential bottlenecks, and even suggests optimal routes to drivers. The end result? Smoother traffic, fewer accidents, and a more efficient city. And it's not just about traffic management, the same principles apply to a variety of other fields. From predicting stock market trends based on historical data, to diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images. AI algorithms are capable of processing and analyzing vast amounts of data far more quickly and accurately than a human ever could. This is the power of AI and data analysis. It's not just about speed, but also about precision and reliability. AI has made data analysis not only faster but also more accurate and reliable. So what does the future hold for AI in the IT field? As we move forward, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The role of AI in the IT field is set to expand exponentially. One area where we are likely to witness significant growth is cybersecurity. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, AI can help identify and neutralize these threats before they cause damage. AI algorithms can learn to detect unusual patterns, spot anomalies, and even predict potential vulnerabilities, providing a level of protection that is continuously evolving and improving. Beyond cybersecurity, AI is also poised to revolutionize IT management. Imagine a world where AI systems can autonomously monitor and manage IT infrastructure, predict and prevent system failures, and even optimize system performance. This would not only increase efficiency but also free up IT professionals to focus on more strategic tasks. And let's not forget about the potential impact on programming itself. AI could lead to the development of new programming languages, designed to facilitate even more efficient human-AI collaboration. These languages could potentially make programming more accessible, opening up the field to a wider range of people. In conclusion, the future of AI in the IT field is bright and full of promise. The potential applications are as vast as they are exciting, ushering in a new era of innovation and discovery. The potential of AI in the IT field is vast and unexplored, promising a future where the impossible becomes possible.